Hello. Today we're going to go through a story, a very interesting story. The title, Learn to Appreciate. As we read it, go with me while concentrating on some very useful vocabulary, useful phrases. Okay, let's get into the video. Once upon a time, there was a man who was very helpful, kind-hearted and generous. He was a man who will help someone without asking anything to pay him back. He'll help someone because he wants to and he loves to. One day, while walking into a dusty road, this man saw a purse, so he picked it up and noticed that the purse was empty. Suddenly, a woman with a policeman shows up and gets him arrested. The woman kept on asking him where he hid her money, but the man replied, "It was empty when I found it, ma'am." The woman yelled at him, "Please, give it back. It's for my son's school fees." The man noticed that the woman really felt sad, so he handed all his money. He could say that the woman was a single mother. The man said, "Take these. Sorry for the inconvenience." The woman left, and the policeman held the man for further questioning. The woman was very happy, but when she counted the money later on, it was doubled. She was shocked. One day, while the woman was going to pay her son's school fees towards the school, she noticed that some skinny man was walking behind her. She thought that he may rob her, so she approached a policeman standing nearby. He was the same policeman who she took along to inquire for her purse. The woman told him about the man following her, but suddenly they saw that man collapsing. They ran at him and saw that he was the same man whom they arrested a few days back for stealing a purse. He looked very weak, and the woman was confused. The policeman then said to the woman, "He didn't return your money, but he gave you his money that day. He wasn't the thief, but hearing about your son's school fees, he felt sad and gave you his money." Later, they helped the man stand up, and the man told the woman, "Please, go ahead and pay your son's school fees. I saw you and followed you to be sure that no one steals your son's school fees." The woman was speechless. End of the story. Now, if you were the author of this story, what title would you have given it? Who is at fault here? Put yourself in the woman's shoes. How would you have reacted? Put yourself in this man's shoes. What would you have done? Comment on the comment section below. Now, based on the author of this story, here's what he had to say. Technically, it's the moral of the story. Life gives you strange experiences. Sometimes it shocks you, and sometimes it may surprise you. We end up making wrong judgments or mistakes in our anger, desperation, and frustrations. However, when we get a second chance, correct your mistakes and return the favor. Be kind and generous. Learn to appreciate what you're given. Okay, that's it. See you in the next one.